So the first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click it to begin updating. Once the Xbox is updated, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check for skate update. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is also updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance, so make sure you check if there is any update available. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So for that, open settings, then click on system, then storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device option. Under it, choose clear system cache and at last confirm it by pressing yes. So after clearing the Xbox cache, now check if the problem is resolved. Next is to check storage. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system. After that, click on settings, then click on system and then click on storage option. Now check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or game to create space and then check if the issue is fixed. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, you need to open settings, then select device and connections, then Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. So after clearing the persistent storage, check if it helps. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option and after that add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to reinstall Skate. So for that, press the Xbox button controller and move to my games and apps and select see all options. Here select Skate, then press menu button. After that select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Skate official website and download the game and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do or else they will resolve it from their end. So by this way, you can easily resolve the problem of crashing or not launching or other issues on Xbox while playing Skate game. So that's all for now. Thank you.